Hello everyone, welcome to HR Tech. Right? In this video I'll be showing you how to uninstall an application in Windows 11. Okay, some people might have difficulties doing this, but I just want to show you how to do it. Okay, there are two ways to actually do it. So the first thing is to click on this Windows icon here, go to Settings, then go to Apps, and then right here on Install App, click on it, and then all your applications that you have on your laptop is going to show here. You can sort it by A to Z, Z to A, date installed. You can check the large to small. For example, I want to see the largest application I have installed in my laptop. What's the size like, and to know how to maybe uninstall some certain apps that probably I don't need on my laptop. Okay. So once you've probably locate the one you don't need, for example, I don't think I need Canva because I have Canva already online. Once you do that, or Loom, for example, I don't need Loom. I can just uninstall it. So let me do that. This app is ready. Info will be installed. I click on uninstall and then click OK. And yes, that's just the process is going to go. And before you know it, it's out from your laptop. Okay. Another way you can do this is you click here and then you go to the control panel. Okay, because this works for both Windows 10, both Windows 11. Click on uninstall program, and then you can choose the program you want to uninstall. Maybe for this you click on um, uninstall, for example. If you click here, it's going to show you, do you want to uninstall, you want to cancel, then I'll just cancel, and that's just how you can get this done on your laptop. Get those applications you don't want on your laptop out. Thank you very much, and please do want to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.